Hello, visa applicant. Welcome to Africa Digital Tour, your Tanzania Visa Application Assistant. Let me introduce you Tanzania Visa and Process. The Tanzania e-Visa is an electronic travel authorization allowing eligible visitors to enter Tanzania. It replaces traditional visa stickers. The e-Visa system allows applicants to apply and pay from home, eliminating the need for embassy visits or waiting in airport queues. Learn how to get a Tanzania visa quickly online. Step-by-step guide on faster visa application, requirements, fees, and express approval tips. Applying is simple. How to apply for a Tanzania visa online. Complete the online application form, select visa type, tourist $50, multiple entry $100, business $250, transit $30, and upload required documents. Before making payments, review all details carefully before submitting. Payment section. Pay using a credit or debit card in USD. Submit and wait for a confirmation email with your visa application ID. Processing times range from 2 to 7 working days. Your approved e-visa will be sent via email. After receiving the visa approval document, download and print your visa grant notice. Present it at immigration on arrival with your passport. An immigration officer will stamp your visa and grant entry. Thank you, and welcome to Tanzania.